Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present to you the 2014 Remington Honor Medalist, Dr. Marilyn Speedie.
I'm a pharmacist and proud of it, even though you wouldn't want me actually out in practice after all these years, but I retain the label. I'm a scientist, I'm a teacher, and I'm a dean, and I love all of those roles.
Marilyn Speedie, Dean of the University of Minnesota College of Pharmacy. For the past 18 years, Marilyn Speedie has been using her talent as a generalist to redefine what it means to be a leader in pharmacy education. Considered one of the most effective pharmacist educators in the country, Speedie has a keen ability to see the connections between practice and academics and how this synergy can elevate an entire profession.
Marilyn is someone who seems to have the ability to bring all kinds of groups of people together. I don't care who they are, Marilyn works with them and somehow is a consensus builder who brings people together.
The College of Pharmacy is ranked number 3 in the country, and so that is clearly related to Marilyn's leadership here in the College of Pharmacy. And so in order to have that number 3 ranking, you have to be really good in everything. You have to be good in pharmacy education, you have to be good in research and service, and it's just the whole package.
Central to Speedie's philosophy is the firm belief that science and clinical practice are not at odds. Rather, it is when the two align that the profession is at its best.
I think her vision is a clarity of what the role of the academic community must be in the work of a profession. And then I think her vision is grounded on the things that she personally has done, the things she has helped to motivate others to do, both in the context of education innovation as well as practice innovation.
To make a curriculum like we did, not from scratch, but from where we started, takes a lot of leadership and vision. She was a great leader and a great visionary for what we ended up doing. Because she got us going in the beginning, where there was a lot of inertia about should we do this, should we not? Well, she got us going. Our students are going to come out, be much better practitioners, and are going to be able to deliver health care and improve health outcomes for the state of Minnesota.
Speedie leads by example, going outside the walls of the university to build bridges between education, the profession, and patient care. In Minnesota, her work at the legislature expanded pharmacists' ability to practice collaboratively, deliver immunizations, and gain payment for providing medication management services to patients.
Certainly there are many colleges of pharmacy, and each one has a dean who is a leader in their own right. But Dean Speedie is unique among those deans in that she has used her position as dean at the University of Minnesota to have a profound effect on the profession of pharmacy nationwide and how it affects society.
Marilyn Speedie's never been one of those ivory tower deans. And what I mean by that is during my years at MPHA, she was always there. She wasn't there in name only, but she would be at public affairs meetings. She would be at the Capitol with us when we were leading the charge on a piece of legislation that was important to pharmacy and needed to be passed. She was there.
Speedie has the pulse of both the professional and academic worlds and brings that perspective to the national stage through leadership on several boards and associations. This includes the American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy, where under her guidance, a change was made to its mission statement that strengthens the relationship between colleges of pharmacy and the profession.
She really, really wants to bring people together to find the best solution. She's always operated like that. She's approachable. Pharmacists in the state know that, and the associations in the state know that. They know they can count on Marilyn and be included in what's going on. It's never been the college is in charge of everything. It's always been the college is the leader and provides a forum where we can all get together and accomplish great things.
Perhaps nowhere has Speedie's skills as a collaborator shined more brightly than during the expansion of the College of Pharmacy to Duluth in 2003. In response to a dire shortage of pharmacists in Minnesota, especially in rural areas, Speedie oversaw the expansion, a major undertaking that required the coordination of university, private healthcare, and government entities. While the expansion increased overall enrollment by 50%, the number of students from Greater Minnesota doubled.
Marilyn had the vision to build the Duluth campus. The campus has been transformative in its contribution to the practice of pharmacy, not only in rural Minnesota, but also in Greater Minnesota, and in fact in all of Minnesota and the surrounding region.
Within the Patient Care Education Partnership is an important place for research. Thanks to Speedie's leadership and recruitment expertise, some of the most groundbreaking work in pharmacy is being done at the University of Minnesota.
She has been really very successful in recruiting faculty to the University of Minnesota College of Pharmacy. And just since I've come here, the college has moved from 17th ranking in research expenditure to number 6 in the country. And so that's quite a success and leadership on part of Marilyn.
It was very clear from the start that she was someone who took science very seriously. It was very clear that she understood what research was about and the fact how important it is in maintaining a strong pharmacy school.
Speedie is committed to motivating and educating Minnesota graduates to be leaders, to continually advocate for an environment that allows pharmacists to practice at the limits of their education. The tools they need are embedded in the curriculum, and Speedie has served as mentor for dozens of faculty, 5 of whom have gone on to become deans themselves.
5 people who are faculty or administrators with you there at Minnesota that have gone on to be deans of schools and colleges of pharmacy, and I'm sure all of them would echo what I'm saying, that your mentorship was a large part of what prepared us to move on into those kind of positions.
I have time and time again talked to pharmacists who have met Marilyn Speedie for the first time. And one of the things they all comment about Marilyn Speedie is how down to earth she is. How comfortable she makes them feel even though they didn't even know her. Marilyn has a gift, and the gift is a gift of working with people and making them want to work with her.
Her vision and leadership has been a shining example of allowing individuals to take responsibility and actually take risk to accomplish goals and objectives. She's never afraid to take on a tough issue, and her support of the college. I don't know of anybody who works harder and is more dedicated to the College of Pharmacy and to the profession than Marilyn.
For being a generalist, Speedie's impact on pharmacy in Minnesota and the nation is both broad and specific. We are here to celebrate these accomplishments and the benefits they have brought to thousands of patients in Minnesota and beyond.